Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about an interesting topic about should we bring back extinct animals. With recent advances in genetic engineering and the extinction technology, scientists believe that bringing some extinct animals back may become possible in the future. Although this idea sounds exciting, especially because of movies like Jurassic World, it also raises many scientific, environmental, and ethical concerns. So in this presentation, I will discuss both the potential benefits and the possible risks of bringing extinct animals back to life. So, scientists are currently developing a de-extinction technology which uses in advanced genetic engineering to recreate extinct species. Imagine seeing a Tyrannosaurus rex walking on Earth again or hearing a helicopter roar. It sounds exciting and fascinating to hear that, right? However, before making this a reality, we need to ask one important question. Is bringing extinct animals back really a good idea? The purpose of this presentation is to discuss whether extinct animals, especially dinosaurs, should be brought back through the extinction technology. First, I will explain the possible benefits, including scientific discoveries and educational opportunities. Then, I will discuss the potential risks such as environmental problems, safety concerns, and ethical issues. And the other purpose also is to improve scientific knowledge and education and the dangerous idea. There are several possible benefits to bringing back dinosaurs. First, scientists could learn much more about prehistoric life and understand how dinosaurs behave. Second, research on the extinction could improve genetic and biotechnology. Third, living dinosaurs could create exciting educational experiences in museums, research centers, and universities. And finally, they could inspire more people, especially young students, to develop an interest in science and technology. If dinosaurs could be brought back, scientists would have the opportunity to study their behavior, biology, and daily life directly. This could help us in better understanding about ancient ecosystems and how life on Earth has evolved over millions of years. In addition, the technology used for the extinction may lead to a new discoveries in genetic engineering that could benefit medicine, agriculture, and wildlife conservation. Although there are many potential benefits, there are also serious risks and challenges. Today's environment is very different from the world where dinosaurs once lived, so modern ecosystems may not be able to support them. Some dinosaurs were large predators and could become dangerous to humans and other animals. In addition, bringing dinosaurs back would cost billions of dollars. Many people believe this resource would be better spent protecting endangered species that are still alive today. Scientists have already begun exploring the possibility of bringing back certain extinct species to help restore ecosystems and support scientific research. These projects show that the extinction technology is becoming more realistic. However, bringing back dinosaurs will be much more difficult because they became extinct millions of years ago and require far more complex technology. One of the biggest concerns is the impact on the environment. Dinosaurs could disrupt today's food chains and compete with modern animals for food and habitat. They could also threaten existing wildlife that has already adapted to current ecosystem. If dinosaur populations increase too much, controlling them would become extremely difficult. There are also important ethical issues to consider. Dinosaurs evolved millions of years ago in a completely different environment, and they may not survive or live comfortably in today's world. As humans, we have a responsibility to think about animal welfare and whether it is right to recreate extinct species. Just because science makes something possible does not always mean we should do it. Supporters believe that bringing back dinosaurs could improve scientific knowledge, encourage innovation, and inspire future generations to become interested in science. On the other hand, opponents argue that project would be too expensive, could threaten the environment, and raises serious ethical concerns. Both sides have a strong arguments, so it is important to carefully consider the advantages and disadvantages before making such a decision. In conclusion, bringing back extinct animals offers an exciting opportunities for scientific research and education. However, it also creates significant environmental, ethical, and safety challenges. Although the extinction technology continues to develop, we must carefully consider whether humanity is truly prepared for the responsibilities and consequences of bringing extinct animals back to life. Thank you for your attention. This is all from me. I would like to end this with a question. Bringing extinct animals back may be exciting, but is humanity truly ready for the consequences? Thank you.